FCT released its quarterly results on July 2024. Okay, from this price chart, you can see that it has gone up. Is it late? I feel that I need to understand the value before I determine whether I want to buy. So as of recording, I am a shareholder. Okay, so practice independent thinking. What you're going to see next is my train of thoughts of how I determine whether I should continue to buy FCT, because based on the business results, we get insights, and these insights come from the quarterly results. So though the information was minimal, but I always compare the available information to my REITs framework. And what is exactly my REITs framework? Revenue minus expense equals to net profit. Because if net profits go up, it means that I get more dividends as a shareholder. So I'm going to zoom into two possibilities of FCT increasing the revenue for the next quarter, because on the background there is this elevated interest rates, even though there is a hype about or expectation that the Fed will cut the rates. But I don't place much importance on that because it's something that's not within the control of my REIT managers. So when I assess the value of my REIT or FCT, I want to focus on the variables that my REIT managers can control. So I'm going to go into two possibilities. First possibility is this Tampines 1 AEI, which you see right now on the screen. The details are there. There are going to be new vendors. That's the good thing. And more importantly, I just want to bring attention to this gray box, right? There is this extra 9k square foot of NLA created and deployed to prime retail floors. And that's happening in Tampines 1. So simply on a nutshell, more space equals to more retailers being able to rent, and that increases revenue, right? So if revenue increases, assuming expenses stays the same, higher net profits should lead to higher dividends. More so right now that FCT needs to do, because with high interest rates, you're not able to loan that much to buy new buildings. So REIT managers opt to optimize their existing assets. And increasing NLA is the first of the three AEIs that I like. If you like to learn more about the two other AEIs that FCT can do, you can learn more via the link in the video description below. So just to give a background of why I buy into FCTs, because I shop near Tiong Bahru Plaza. So every weekday night when I come back from work, I'll just walk past that Tiong Bahru Plaza, just see if the tenants are still doing business. Are there any vacant spaces left? So my last idea is that there's going to be a new jewelry shop in Tiong Bahru Plaza, and that's how I touch the brake, understand what's going on with the FCT portfolio business. The second thing I also observe is this particular screenshot that will appear, which they put it as one of the highlights. Key metrics remain healthy and stable, underpinned by strong leasing demand. But which one do I look at, right? First, robust business operations. Portfolio occupancy is good, which I would definitely agree has always been top-notch, near 100%. Of course, there's a upcoming, real connection between Singapore and JB. Yes, there's conversations about that project impacting one other property, which is the Causeway Point in their portfolio. Yes, there would be, whether there's going to be more shopper traffic or less shopper traffic, that's something to take note, which is actually what I wanted to let you know, right? Because we're going to observe for factors that's going to increase the revenue of a REIT. So the second possibility that if my FCT REIT managers, you guys are watching, is I'm observing this thing called the shopper traffic plus tenant sales. Year on year, change is declining. And why does this matter to us as a shareholder. My job gives me a fixed income. Okay. The second one is that I can start a side hustle where its income is a variable of the number of customers I've served. Right. So for example, YouTube. So for FCT, its rental income in a single year is likely to be fixed. And yes, there are rent escalation clauses. Even so, it's only going to be like once a year exercise, right? So is there a variable component that FCT can benefit from? Which is, can FCT charge more when the tenant business is good? Yes, in fact, retail mall REITs have this advantage. I have FCT and CICT in my portfolio, and they have this advantage. So it changed my shopping habits to shop more even at Tiong Bahru Plaza. So I'll see you in this video.